Analysts believe Tesla's first quarter earnings were impacted by the COVID-19 related suspension of its Shanghai facility, as well as the costs of ramping up new operations in Berlin and Texas. In Shanghai, Tesla plans to gradually resume production this week. Tesla outperformed its competitors in navigating the global supply chain problem, producing record deliveries and earnings for multiple quarters. However, its Shanghai production was shut down for more than 3 weeks after the city implemented lockdown measures in response to an increase in COVID-19 cases. According to Refinitiv data, the Austin, Texas-based business is likely to post $17.80 billion in revenue for the January to March quarter, increasing more than 70% year-over-year, but relatively flat from the prior quarter. There are a lot of fixed expenditures to get the new factories up and operating, he added, but there isn't a lot of production to spread the costs about. Tesla's first Texas-built Model Y automobiles were delivered at a lavish event earlier this month, but no Texas vehicles are currently featured on Tesla's order page. Tesla, TSLA.O, publishes quarterly earnings, and analysts wonder if CEO Elon Musk will mention his $43 billion bid for Twitter, TWTR.N, and whether he will use any of his Tesla stock to help fund the acquisition. The average analyst expectation for Tesla is $2.26 per share, according to Refinitiv. This is up from 93 cents per share a year ago, but it is the first quarterly drop in 2 years. It'll definitely be a while before the Texas factory can get up to full speed, Guidehouse Insights analyst Sam Abulsamid said, highlighting the difficulties of ramping up scale manufacturing of 4,680 cells, which are expected to be utilized in Texas automobiles. Tesla's volume increase will comfortably exceed 50% from last year, Musk stated in January, implying that the company will deliver more than 1.4 million vehicles this year. I'll be looking for more long-term management commentary. How soon do they expect them to resume normal production rates? Is there anything they've had to deal with during production? When do you think the Shanghai factory will be able to begin full production? Seth Goldstein, a Morningstar analyst, stated, Tesla investors will be watching on Wednesday to see if the electric vehicle manufacturer can meet its lofty 2022 delivery target as its largest factory, Shanghai, deals with a COVID-19 closure, and new factories ramp up production slowly.